Our next challenge was the toughest of the day.
We're simulating a fire in a high-rise building. We have fire on the 42nd floor. This is what we call our high-rise scenario. We have to get water up, put out the main body of fire, and go rescue people.
This high-rise rotation is very taxing on the body. It's demanding, it's very physical. You have to work as a team. If you don't work as a team, you're not going to succeed.
All the gear weighs so much.
You all right?
No.
Do you want a little cool air now while we're talking? Yes. I'm gonna feed some air in there, okay? So a couple real quick safety things, okay? It is kind of Hollywood fire, right? But it's a real fire. It does get hot. You're gonna see there's gonna be fire rolling across the ceiling. So at a certain point, when we tell you to get down and crawl, you will stay down and crawl until I physically touch you and say, Anne, you can stand up. Or Nick, you can stand up, okay? Because it does get hot. So we're gonna get this moving.
This is very difficult to put out any fire. You need a lot of pressure to get water onto the main body of fire. And stretching out the hose line is not as easy as it looks.
Start them in.
We walked into a room that had a fire, started to come across the ceiling.
Push, push, push. Pull and back them up. The fire's gonna be rolling over their heads. Drop the line, Ann. Drop it on the floor.
Rachel was the nozzle firefighter for the first part of it.
We want to push all the heat and gas back. Eventually it gets so hot that the smoke starts going on fire. It's a cement building, there's nothing to burn up there. That's just superheated gases and smoke that are going on fire.
You're there with the hose and they're saying big circles, and which seems like really easy until you start to do it and you're like, oh my God, big circles. And I'm like, is this thing out yet? Everything about it is physically demanding.
Rach, come this way, Rachel. Just crawl right out.
As she was coming out, she looked like she might have been a little overheated.
You want to go back in or you good?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Rach, come this way, Rachel. Just crawl right out.
As she was coming out, she looked like she might have been a little overheated.
You want to go back in or you good?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
She's not coming back in.
We were able to get her outside. She was a little overwhelmed at that point.
I had a straight up panic attack.
This is actually very normal, especially on a hot day like today. It's a bit of a surprise how physically demanding this job could be.
This fire is hot. It's over our heads. We're getting after it.
It seems like you're spraying and spraying and spraying forever, and it doesn't seem like the fire's going out. Like, wait a minute. I thought this was supposed to help. But I actually got to put the fire out, so I was like, yay, I saved the day. As soon as we're done, I'm like, get this off me. And I'm not a claustrophobic person at all. I am like out of breath from putting out a fire for like 4.5 seconds.
When we got Rachel down here, we gave her some water. She's doing good. She's doing a lot better now.
I'm fine now. Oh, I feel so much better.
And the biggest thank you to all again to our brave firefighters from coast to coast. Yes! God bless you all. We'll see